Machine learning, as we all know, is a subset of artificial intelligence, AI, which focuses on the use of data and algorithms and is like humans. The point to watch out for here is data. Data is of primary importance in machine learning. Data is presented in specific structure using Python library pandas. This format is called data frame. Data frame is a two-dimensional data structure, or simply put it, a table with rows and columns. A sample is shown here. Pandas library in Python helps to analyze this data. A data frame basically contains rows, columns, and data. Exploring, analyzing, formatting data is supported by Pandas library. Pandas library has the methods to support these activities.